I'm going to make a set of earrings out of these. I'll put a crystal on. What do you think about that? Yeah. I'll look down at the bottom. I always put my finger against it. Roll it back. Go across. The higher you keep it up on the part of your round nose, the smaller the hole will be. Well, I think I'm blind. There it is. It's hard to see and work in front of a camera too. Well, have the camera in between you and what you're working on. Now let's do the next one. I was going to put them little white beads on there, but I just don't think there was enough room for them. So we'll save them for something else. Okay, hold the bottom. I always hold it like that with my finger or something to support that pin until I get it where I want it, and then I can let go. I'm making a couple little short videos to see how far I'm getting in and out of frame, because I've got several more that I need to put up, but I'm in and out of frame so much that I'm trying to figure out how I need to work where I get a good video. So these are basically tests. And I'm saying that I'm going to need to get me some reading glasses to be able to see past the camera and be able to see what I'm doing, really. My hand cramped up. So this is why, and I'll probably throw some earring videos in every so often, because you never know who wants to make a pair of earrings and they might see something they like that they can recreate. Always twist it open. You don't pull it open. I've got some different kinds of stuff that I got the other day to do different earrings with. And I'm going to do some wire wrapped earrings too later. You know, just using wire. Okay. That's what these look like. They'd be pretty with a white dress or something. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.